Hey everybody, this is Kim Siever with Hot Pepper Communications. We specialize in writing, editing, and social media management. From time to time I come across people using capitalization to emphasize words. This is wrong, and let me show you why. Consider this sentence. This is the most advanced formula we have ever created. Notice that most advanced formula is capitalized. Capitalization is reserved for proper nouns like Canada, Jane, and Saskatchewan, the first word in a sentence, and the main words in a title. In the example I gave above, most advanced formula falls under none of these categories. All three words are common nouns, they're in the middle of a sentence, and they're not in a title. When needing emphasis, writers should use bold and italics as the main tools. These are less likely to interrupt reading flow, and emphasis is what they were designed for. You can rewrite the sentence I mentioned previously as shown below, with bold and with italics. You can follow me along at hotpepper.ca, Facebook, Twitter, Google+, or LinkedIn.